Como, cook. Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba, uba, ba, uba.
Oh, you want pasta. Today we're making pasta with tomato sauce and shrimp. Chef Como, let's cook! What do we need to make pasta? Let's find the ingredients. Do we need an orange? Nope, we do not. Then tomato sauce? Yes, it's definitely needed. Garlic? Bingo! Garlic it is. Next, an ice cream bar? No, we don't need that. Then shrimp? Correct! Delicious shrimp. A bone? Let's leave the bone for a puppy. Do we need salt?
Wow!
Yep, we do. Finally, spaghetti noodles are a must. Yay! We found them all. First, boil some water and add salt. Then cook the spaghetti. When the spaghetti is done, drain it in a strainer. Now it's time to crush the garlic. Whoa! Ingredients are prepped. Let's mix everything in a pan. Drop in the shrimp and garlic and toss. One more time. Next, the sauce. Open the tomato sauce lid. Add the sauce into the pan and mix well. Pour the cooked sauce over the spaghetti and… we're done! Wait, something's missing. We need to make it more flavorful. Which powder should we sprinkle? Red pepper powder? Candy powder? Yes, parsley powder. How about a pretty garnish? An egg, some parsley, a baseball, and an acorn. Should we put an egg on top? Oh no, that won't do. Oh, let's add some more parsley. A yummy shrimp tomato pasta! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba, uba, ba, uba.
Oh, you want a sandwich. Today we're making a sandwich with many delicious ingredients. Chef Como, let's cook. What do we need to make a sandwich? Let's find the ingredients. Blocks? No, we can't eat blocks. Then bread? Bingo! We need soft bread. Do we need ham? Yes, we do. What else? Chocolate? I guess not. How about cheese? Wow, correct! What about fish? No, not fish. Then lettuce?
Wow!
Yes, fresh lettuce it is. A tomato might be good too. Sweet and tart tomato. We found them all! Now let's prep the ingredients. Don't forget to toast the bread. Okay, let's start building the sandwich. First, spread the sauce. The blue sauce? Ew, no. Then how about yellow mustard? Yay, bingo! Next, let's stack the ingredients. What would be good? Oh, lettuce, of course. Then, blocks? Uh-oh, that's not right. Tomato slices? Ding ding, correct! Now let's add some yummy ham. And some cheese. Let's top it off with the sauce. Brown sauce? I don't think so. Then red ketchup? Wow, good job! A yummy sandwich! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat? Oh, you want a jiggly pudding. Today we're making pudding with tart blueberries on top. Okay, Chef Como, let's cook. What do we need to make pudding? Let's find the ingredients. A sock? No, we can't eat a sock. Then gelatin? Bingo! Jiggly Wiggly gelatin! Do we need milk? Yes, fresh milk it is. What else? A soccer ball? I don't think so. Then sugar? Yay! Sweet sugar! How about soap? Nope, no soap. Some blueberry syrup?
Wow!
Correct! Sweet and tart blueberry syrup. Oh, and some real blueberries too. Yes, fresh blueberries. We found them all. Okay, first we must boil the ingredients. In boiling hot water, add the gelatin. Sugar too. And the milk. Now the pudding mix is ready. Next, let's pick our pudding mold. Find the shape that's the same as the pudding below. Is it square? Oh, nope, it's not square. A heart shape? Or a star shape? That's not it either. Then which shape is it? A flower shape? Wow, bingo! We're going to make a flower-shaped pudding. Pour in the pudding mix halfway. And plop in some fresh blueberries. Then fill it up with more pudding mix. After letting it cool in the refrigerator, you get jiggly, jiggly, wiggly, wiggly pudding! It's time to decorate. Which syrup should we use? Banana? Chocolate? Blueberry sounds good. Finally, the topping. Blueberries, an orange, some chocolate, and cherries. Let's go with blueberries. Ta-da! A yummy blueberry pudding! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat? Oh, you want pizza. Today, we're making pizza with ham, cheese, and lots of veggies. Chef Como, let's cook. What do we need to make pizza? Let's find the ingredients. A pinwheel? No, there's no pinwheel in pizza. Mushroom? Yes, mushroom it is. Cheese? Melty cheese. What else? A crayon? No, we don't need a crayon. Green pepper? Definitely green pepper. A baby bottle? No, definitely not that. Sausage? Wow! Sausage it is! Finally, some tangy tomato sauce. Yay! We found them all! Woo! Soft and springy dough! Can you make one flat and round for us? The dough is ready! Wow, a broccoli family! Hello, sausage! Do you think you can spare some sausage? Thank you! Now let's put on the toppings. First, spread the tomato sauce on the dough. Next, the yummy ingredients. What should go first? Broccoli? Pinwheel? Yikes, not the pinwheel! Then, mushroom? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the sausage. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job! And broccoli. 1, 2, 3. Great! Green peppers too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent! What about a toy block? Oops, I guess not. Let's try olives. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woohoo! Bingo! Finally, let's sprinkle on some cheese. Good job! Now into the oven till it's nice and crispy. Yay! A yummy pizza! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hello, kids! It's hot these days, isn't it? Today, we're making yummy and refreshing shaved ice desserts. What do we need to make shaved ice? Let's go through the list. We need sweet red bean paste and some fruits. Sweet condensed milk and chocolate syrup. No chocolate syrup. Then chewy rice cakes and jellies. Some chocolate cookies too. But no milk, chocolate ice cream, or chocolate syrup. Guess we're off to the market. Okay, let's get our ingredients. First, chocolate ice cream. Yay, correct! What's next? Orange juice? Oops, nope. Oh, that's right. We need chocolate syrup. Next, we need milk. Yay, we're done shopping! Ingredients are ready. First, let's make the ice milk. Wow, it's frozen stiff. Now we have to shave the ice milk. The ice is shaved. It's time to cut the fruits. Cut the banana into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut the kiwi into 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Lastly, cut the mango into 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! The fruits are cut! Squirt on the condensed milk. And woohoo! Yummy fruit shaved ice! Squirt on the chocolate syrup. And wow! Yummy chocolate shaved ice! Yay! Sweet red bean paste shaved ice with rice cakes! Dig in, kids! What should we make next time?